Hi, this is Ronnie with Plan to Eat, and this is a short clip from our Summer Ready Summit that happened at the end of May 2026. The goal of the summit was to help families prepare for the busy and unpredictable schedule that can happen in the summer. So, our speakers focused on different meal planning strategies, how to avoid picky eating, best practices for grocery shopping to save money, as well as meal prep and other things. So, we're sharing these clips with you to help you have an idea of what the summit was about and learn a little bit of what the audience learned at our Summer Ready Summit. There's a link in the description to learn more about the speaker in this clip, and we hope you enjoy.
So I want us to think about a couple of summer feeding shifts. We are shifting away from pure chaos, kids in and out of the kitchen. We're also shifting away from parents tightly controlling everything, you know, no sugar allowed, whatever it is. And we're shifting our mentality to be more supportive, both for our kids and for the logistics of our own kitchen. The first shift is to plan for predictability, not perfection. So, we're all here with Plan to Eat. It's a meal planning app. It's so useful for, kind of having all our ducks in a row. But there's this thing that gets tied up with meal planning about perfection. It has to be, these Pinterest perfect meals. We have to strictly follow the meal plan. So instead, I want to encourage you to have a basic plan and then use consistent timing throughout the day for your kids. You can remind them if they're home during the day, lunch is at a certain time instead of they're in and out of the house all day and suddenly it's 3 o'clock and they haven't eaten anything. We want your kids to feel like they can rely on you, the responsible grown up who does the meal planning, to provide the food that they need so that they can do their job of learning and growing and having a good time throughout the summer. And like I explained at the start of the talk, processed isn't a bad word. This is our shift number two. We're going to talk about how nutrient dense convenience food can make summer fun and less stressful. So I am not talking about all Doritos and ice pops all day long. Maybe that was what my 90s summer was like when I was growing up. But parents these days do want their kids to have that nutritious diet day in and day out with a little bit of the fun stuff sprinkled in. But processed isn't a bad word, whether it's frozen chicken patties or cereal. We got to remember that all of these things have protein, carb, and fat, which are the building blocks that our kids need to grow. And, they can also be real sanity savers for us so that we don't have to be cooking everything from scratch. So, with some thoughtful planning on the processed items that we're going to use, it can really cut down on the stress of feeding kids throughout the summer. And our last shift is let your meal plan do the parenting. That's why I love the Plan to Eat platform so much is that, you've created a plan and, like I said, we want it to be a little bit flexible, but you can kind of outsource the feeding decisions to the plan, by having a general plan for the week, we can eliminate power struggles, multiple snack requests, kids begging to know what's for dinner, last minute feeding choices, which might not be as nutritious as you want them to be. And instead, we are shifting to your kids trusting that division of responsibility model that I talked about is actually also called the trust model. We're shifting to our kids trusting that food will come at regular times on a regular schedule. These familiar and safe foods will be there for them. That's especially important if you've got yourself a picky eater, keeping them with that feeling of felt safety, and that you, as their trustworthy adult, are going to listen to their hunger cues and support them in addressing it. And when we do these things, many feeding struggles, whether it's picky eating or just constantly begging for snacks or you feeling like you're a short order cook, that resolves on its own because of your plan.